What is going on, everyone? How's it going? Pedro here with another live stream. Super excited to have you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to update you guys and let you know, if you're new to the channel, subscribe below, hit that notification bell and click all notifications. You don't miss a single live stream. With that being said, guys, I know I've been more quiet last couple days, but I'm here as always, always here, guys. But as you know, the markets were pretty much 16th, December 16th already, guys. It's crazy, time flies. And, we're pretty much on the holidays. The markets are kind of cooling off. And there's a lot more volatility going on. So most traders now, we try to kind of cool off, take a break as we wait for the New Year's. However, I am going to still be here. I will be updating the schedule because I find that we will be kind of shifting a few things until we come back for 2023. But wanted to, welcome you guys to the channel, welcome you guys to the family. Let's go, let's go. Hope you guys are doing well. Oh, guys. I'm gonna wait for a couple people to join in. And if you're new, guys, don't be shy. Comment below. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Right, this is gonna load up here in a second. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hope you guys have had an amazing week. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get this to pull up and then we'll get started, guys. We're gonna do just like an overview of the markets. See if I see any opportunities here for the coming week. Okay, so we should be good, guys. I'm gonna move my charts here. So we have some US news coming out. Flash services PMI at 945 and have a Dixie gonna go. Like I said, if you're aware, I've been kind of a little bit I wouldn't say sick, just trying to recover from a few things. So we're good to go, and we're back, guys. So beautiful. Daniel, welcome. Daniel, good afternoon, bro. Thank you so much, my man, from Russia. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put the tag here for our free Telegram group, guys, so you guys can follow through there as well. So if you haven't joined our Telegram group, guys, I highly advise you go check it out. It's amazing. Got a great community of traders. I do monitor it as well, so everything's good to go. I'm gonna actually pin it here at the top. Perfect. Okay, awesome, guys. We're at 5 likes. I am back, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. So we're gonna start with Dixie. We're gonna start with gold, and then we'll kind of narrow it from there. Okay, so what have we seen with Dixie? We know that Dixie was in this kind of downwards channel, but now what I'm really seeing is it seems like it's starting to fail to create a new lower low. Now, if you look at price currently where it's sitting, you can see that it did pretty much create a new lower low from previous low. However, it pushed above here. So to me, this is an indication if we get a strong momentum above this level of structure here at about 104,580, okay? If we get a break and close above that level, we can anticipate a continuation to the upside. We'll probably get a strong push on Dixie. So depending on the news that we get today at 9:45, we could get a strong push. Could be a possibility, or maybe until Sunday. We don't know yet. But if we got a strong momentum, this will give us an indication that we may get gold to melt, right? So if that is the case, gold might hold this resistance level. Not only that, gold is kind of broken our level structure here. So we were kind of in this upwards channel for gold. Let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if we go up here, look at this. We were starting to form some sort of an upwards channel here for gold. However, we actually broke with a strong momentum, and we actually failed to create a new higher high. So we've kind of broken just below this previous low here. We've got support, support, support. So there's 3 touch points of support, previous level of resistance. So it's a major level structure, right? Now, could this be a fake out? Yes, possibly. This could be a fake out. If we do get a closure above this level of resistance now, could be a possibility that this area here was a complete fake out and we're looking for a continuation to the upside. Now, what are the odds of that? Just from looking at it, I'll be honest, this 4-hour candle looks pretty bullish, right? And also the previous 4-hour candle, we have a huge wick here. So that tells me that there's rejection, right? That, gold is still holding this level of support here. However, like I said, we've kind of broken below, right? But it could also be a fake out. So depending on what ends up happening here, it's kind of like a make or break moment here for either Dixie and gold, because they work closely. But what I'm seeing, to be honest with you, my targets that I see for gold really as it sits, knowing that on the higher time frame, like the daily, that this is a resistance area, a major level structure resistance area. I'm starting to see a shift in the market here, and I'm probably basically what I was telling you guys couple live streams way back, guys, way back. Do you guys remember I told you that we're not gonna go in an upwards trend just yet? I don't feel that's gonna happen, and I feel that we were in this major like downwards trajectory. Look at this, right? We were in a major downwards trajectory for gold. But remember when I told you guys I may see gold do something like this, where it comes up to this high, ranges a little bit, channels up, rejects here, and we get a strong momentum to the downside, right? Retest the low of this channel, okay? And then depending on that, it might come back up once more, break below, right? And start ranging. We don't know, right? Again, this is very hypothetical, but what I'm saying is I don't feel like price is going to go all the way up, down, start ranging all of a sudden, right? Because not only that, we got a strong push here for gold, right? So here, hold on, let me erase this here. We had a strong push here, right? So when we get a strong push like this, we need some sort of an exhaustion, right? We need price to exhaust, right? And right now, from looking at this kind of upwards channel, again, right, it could just be a fake out. It could be coming back up. On the daily, we could see it's pretty bullish, right? So but we also have to be mindful, like I said, that price could just be forming, especially at this resistance level. And we know that on the daily, look, we got support, support, support. We could go all the way back, but what matters is current price action is we could anticipate gold to these lows. Potentially, I would say my first target area for gold to come down to would be at least, I would say, the 1700s, right? If we were to get that break of that channel and a confirmation of that retest for a continuation to the downside, right? Then my second target level would actually be down here at 1621 level. But again, first let's focus on where the next level we can anticipate for gold, which I think is around the 1700 range if we get a clean break, excuse me, of that upwards channel. Now, if we break above, I would say anything above this level here, which is 1814 level for gold, then 1800 range, like right now, yeah. So then anything breaking above 18, I would say 1820, we're looking for continuation of buys for gold. We could see a strong push to the upside. However, like I said, I feel like there will be a little bit more of an exhaustion. Anticipate gold to kind of retrace. Okay, that's kind of what I'm looking at there for now, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Got a couple new members tuning in, guys. Welcome to the family. Welcome to la familia. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I'm just gonna put the link here on our Telegram group, guys, for those that some people don't know. We're live here, so I'm just gonna share that over. And welcome to all of the new members, guys. If you're new to the family, don't be shy. Comment below. Let me know where you're tuning in from, guys. Super excited to have you here. Okay. Perfect, perfect. Okay, awesome, guys. Okay, so let's continue on. Let's focus on some other pairs that we're looking at here. What ended up happening with USD/JPY? Who knows? But we're gonna take a look. So on the daily, we could see that we were holding this level support. Let me clear the charts. We were kind of looking like it was in a downwards channel, but we didn't. Seems like we held this level support here, even on the daily. So we were kind of trending to the upside nicely. Okay, we actually failed to create a higher high. So where do we start looking for sells here? Where's this kind of stopping point? Well, we could see that a high right here. This is a high right here. Okay, so now that we failed to create a higher high and we broke below, we retested it. We're kind of like floating here for a bit. I could see, for example, USD/JPY come down at least to this lower level here. Could be a target level here. And just from looking at it here, let's go down to the 4-hour. Okay, we can see that we're still in this kind of downwards trend. However, we've kind of shifted into a slight little range. So just keep this in mind. We're kind of ranging at this given time here with current price action. But however, we have been in this nice kind of downwards momentum here. Okay, so now what do we look for in the range, right? So basically we wait for a breakout, guys. You know, I teach this all the time in all my live streams. We wait for a breakout, and that's really what we're waiting for. Obviously, we've got the news, right? We got some US news. Dependent on that, that's really what's going to determine for USD/JPY, right? This is the high of the range, okay? And this is the low of the range, okay? So we could usually trade the highs or the lows of the range. However, it depends on making sure that we have enough of a gap, right? If there's enough of a range, we can trade the highs or the lows. That way we can make some money, guys. As you guys know, we killed it last time with gold. We did trade the news. I don't typically trade the news, but I know that you guys really did want me to trade the news with you guys, so I did. And that was pretty fun, guys. We were able to catch, like, gold went over 300 pips, guys, and we caught that live. I think I took home around 180 pips. I took my profits, and it was crazy. So beautiful opportunity there. We've got a couple people joining in, guys. Welcome to the family. Let's go. We got Pops in the house. Hey, Dad, love you, Dad. Okay, JJ, let's go, homie. Let's go. We got JJ in the house as well. Let's go. Okay, guys, smash that like button for me, guys, if you enjoy these live streams. Okay, and you know, also smash that like button if you're truly looking to level up your trading, guys. Let's say you're just tired of losing trades and you really want to level up your tradings. Smash that like button for me. Also, guys, we also now have super chat and super stickers. So now that we've kind of reached another level here on my YouTube channel, you are more than welcome to, you know, support the channel. You know, each super sticker does support the channel, and it helps me create more of this content. So if you guys enjoy it, guys, go check it out. You can do a super chat, which is like a highlighted message, or a super sticker, which is pretty cool. So go check that out, and appreciate the support, guys. Okay, so let's continue on, guys. We're gonna focus on USD/JPY and what we're seeing. So like I said, we were in this downwards channel. We're kind of coming at this major level. So even on the daily, we could see that we're kind of holding off at this kind of level of support. Not the most ideal, but again, what I think is going to happen is we can anticipate some sort of a breakout. I would wait for the news. We could anticipate some sort of a more complex pullback. So I could see maybe USD/JPY maybe come back up to these highs and then probably reject. So something like this, where we may see it finally break out of this range, come back up, reject that, and come all the way down here, right? Could be a possibility for USD/JPY, right? So we don't know until we hear back from the news. So let's focus on our main top pairs here. GU, what are we looking at for GU, guys? Whoa, seems like we got a push above and then we broke below. Look at that. So that was a complete fake out, right? So we wanted to see what, look at my arrows here, right? We wanted to see what? A retest, right? We wanted to hold that level of support. However, we didn't hold that level of support. So that was a fake out, guys. Look at that strong momentum, though. So we got a nice strong momentum here on the 4-hour. It seems like we're kind of starting to hold this level of support, and we could see some sort of a retest at these highs. So keep that in mind, that USD/JPY, or sorry, GBP/JPY, or GBPUSD, oh my gosh, or GBP/JPY, either one, could retest at this level. It really depends on GJ as well, too, though. We got to look at that. Could be retesting at this level of structure. So what did we have? We had a strong momentum push, right? We're definitely oversold at this point. And then now we're potentially going to pull back, right? So keep that in mind. However, we have to also keep in mind, so let me go up to the 4-hour time frame, because sometimes price doesn't always pull all the way back up. So sometimes it's very bearish that it may just continue to go down lower, right? So if the dollar is gaining strength, then we may anticipate the British pound to actually lose its value and continue to go lower. Give me 1 second here. Give me 1 sec, guys. I'll be right back, okay? I will be right back in 2 seconds. All right, guys, I'm back. Hold on. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, so we got that nice strong momentum. We want to focus always on the higher time frames because this tells us the overall direction of the market. So we know that we rejected this major level structure. Let me clear the chart so you guys can see nice and clean. So look at the daily. What were we doing? We were kind of going to the upside here, but we need to see some sort of an exhaustion. So keep in mind that price could just be doing a slight little pullback and could actually come back up, right? However, we do need to, it depends on the US news that we get. So depending on whatever US news we get here, guys, we'll know kind of where price may continue to go. But right now we're kind of holding off at this level here. Like I said, we got a little bit of a fake out, but then price rejected instantly. So that's a strong indication that no, price was not intending to go higher, but instead it actually was, it was just a complete fake out, right? So let's see here, guys. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. So all of our new members, okay. Perfect. Okay, hope you guys are being here. Yes, you guys are good. Okay. So yeah, so that's kind of what we're looking at here. So we could anticipate a leg down. You could see some sort of a pullback to this level here for GU. Depending on the news we get, guys, it's really what we're anticipating to see, right? Because we are still kind of in this upwards trend. Okay, keep that in mind. And we may just see one more leg down, right? And if we get this one more leg down here on the higher time frames, it could come back up, create some sort of a double top, and then melt below, right? Could be a possibility. So just keep that in mind, or it could come back up, reject this level, and push above, right? So there's many different scenarios. We just have to see what ends up happening. But on this upwards trend, we could see that extra leg to downside, right? Okay, guys, let's go. So if we narrow this down to the lower time frames, like the 4-hour time frame, we can see that, okay, we are seeing a shift in the market and we could be looking for selling opportunities. Really, if anything really breaks below this level, I want to start looking for sell setters below this level structure, right? If it doesn't break below this level structure, I'm not looking for sell opportunities, okay? We need to break below this level structure, right? We need to break and close, and then we can anticipate a continuation to the downside. Probably the first target area would be around here at the 1.17830 range. That's kind of my target area for GU, but we'll wait for the news and see what ends up happening. Okay, guys, we got news at 9:45. It is Friday, so markets are going to be a little bit more slower for sure. I typically don't trade Fridays, but I wanted to kind of come on either way and share with you guys kind of what I'm looking at. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go. We got Kunis here. Let's go. Welcome, 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 guys. Awesome, awesome. And welcome to all the new members that are tuning in, guys. If you're new to the family, don't forget to subscribe below, but also hit the notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. Also, if you're new, guys, don't miss out on our free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community on there, so go check that out. Okay. And for those that always ask, because I do get messages, I swear I get messages like every other day, people asking me what broker I use. The broker I use is Blueberry Markets, and if you use my link, there is a sign up bonus for it too as well. I like that they're regulated, so even if you go with my link or not, guys, like I always say, just go with a regulated broker. I don't want you guys to do the same mistakes I did, where you can't withdraw money, where you're having issues, all that type of stuff, right? So I don't want you guys to go through that, right? So if you go with my broker or not, it doesn't matter. I want to help you guys be successful in trading. I want to help you guys avoid the mistakes I did, right? So like I said, welcome guys, welcome everyone. Let's go. We got IMEO, welcome, good morning familia, guys. We're one big family, as you guys know. And like I said, you know, it is December, it is kind of slowing down. You know, like I said, I had my tooth work. I had a lot of cavities that I never had before, right? So I had to get that kind of addressed. So I've been having like major like headaches and stuff like that, but it's all sorted out, guys. You know, the markets are a little bit slower, but we're still here, guys. We're still looking at opportunities. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I appreciate all the support. I hope you guys are learning and leveling up. And if you have any questions, guys, take advantage of these live streams, right? I'm here every single day, you know, Monday through Friday. And, you know, right now the schedule for December has changed, yes. But keep an eye out, guys. So make sure that you have those notifications on, because I might surprise you guys like I do sometimes in the evenings, and you don't want to miss out on these live streams, guys. So let's focus on GJ. What are we looking at GJ, guys? What's going on with GJ? Sometimes we'll see opportunities. Sometimes the market is just choppy, right? So let's see what's going on with GJ right now. On the daily, guys, it seems like it's just still stuck in this kind of range consolidation, right? So we knew that we were kind of, this is the highs of this range here in the past, okay? And we've just been really kind of ranging around this area, guys. We really haven't broken above and held that level. We kind of broke above, we came back, we retested, right? But we kind of broke in below again, thinking that we were looking for sells. Good thing is I wasn't looking for sell opportunities, but I know a lot of people were looking at sells for GJ. And then look what happened. We kind of got faked out there. So good thing is we didn't get in. I didn't get in personally. But what I'm looking at here, guys, so far for GJ, it's starting to look like an ascending wedge pattern formation. You can see it here. Look at the highs. It's failing to create what? Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's failing. Look, price is failing to what? Break the ceiling. Look, we got rejection, rejection, rejection. And look at this. We got higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, right? But we're not creating higher highs. So what are we anticipating, right? What are we anticipating, guys? We're anticipating a breakout. And this breakout could be to the downside. You could, you know, break out and retest to this lower level. If we get a break below in the lower time frames, then we could target these low areas here, guys, at 162, 976 area range. If it breaks this area of 166, right? This is a good gap. We can make a lot of pips here, guys, right? This is the daily time frame, by the way. So usually in ascending wedge pattern formation, we can anticipate a continuation to the upside. So we could see probably price break above. But however, sometimes with these patterns, we could see it kind of go both ways, right? So we could see it break above, but we could also see it break below, right? And if we break below, what happens here, guys? We're back in this range, right? And price has been struggling to break out of this range and kind of continue to go above out of this range, right? So it's just kind of been like we broke above, but then we're failing to kind of continue to go higher, right? I don't really see a trend. I just see consolidation, right? So that's kind of what I'm seeing there for GJ. And obviously we can narrow it down to the lower time frames. Right now we're kind of holding this level support on this ascending wedge pattern formation. So what do we look for, guys? I may be looking for buy opportunities, guys. To be honest, this 4-hour candle looks like an inverted hammer. If it closes like that bullish, then the next candle could look very bullish. We could see it come back up and retest these highs. Okay, that's what I'm looking at there, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's go. Beautiful, guys. Smash that like button, guys, if you enjoyed this live stream and if you understood that explanation, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Siraj, welcome. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Beautiful. Welcome to all of our new members, guys. Welcome to La Familia. Let's go. So we're going to focus on, let's move on. GBPUSD, guys. Let's go straight to the point. That's GJ so far. So we may be looking at buy opportunities. Let's go back to GJ. I'm just going to drop the line here. So we may see, as long as it respects this level of support, we could see it come back up and do one more leg, right? It might fake out a lot of people because it might be like, oh, well, it created its new lower high. Yes, but it might come back up and retest, right? Remember, it's forming this ascending wedge pattern formation, right? So we may see price come back up and retest this high before it does anything, right? So just keep that in mind. Okay, let's move on. Let's look at GBPUSD. What are we looking at GBPUSD? Look at this, guys. Even on the 4-hour time frame, we're still stuck in this range. Look at my lines here. even though I haven't been looking at the markets here. Overall, look, I was looking at buy opportunities down here, and look how price literally went all the way back up to this range. And if we would have had you, let's say we would have bought here or kept our buys here and just held, we would have been about over 180, if not even more, over 100, almost 200 pips profit, and over 200 pips range, right? So now what are we looking at? Well, we may be looking at price to pull back down, excuse me, to this lower end of the range. Again, that's a possibility of, you know, an easy 150 pips, right? So we're seeing that we're failing to break above, so we can start looking for selling opportunities. Now what do? We narrow this down to this lower time frame, okay? Let's say the 1 hour here. What are we seeing? Well, I see a lot of choppiness, guys. So what do I see here? I just see price kind of ranging. So what do we look for in a range? We look for a breakout, right? Where? Upside, downside, doesn't matter, guys. You know, I teach this all the time. You guys know this, right? Cal, welcome, my man. Welcome, guys. Welcome to all the family, guys. Welcome to all the new members or the members that are already part of the family. Welcome, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing Friday. Welcome to La Familia. You guys know what's good. And yeah, guys, smash that like button, support your boy. Also, guys, we now have super chats, so it's super sick, guys. It does support the channel, so if you want to, you know, kind of stand out, if you have a question, guys, that you want me to answer, sometimes it's hard for me to keep up, especially like when we have the news live streams and stuff like that, and you want to ask a question and you want to stand out, guys, we have our super chats. The link is in the chat box below. You'll be able to see it there. It's like, it's got like a little logo there. And you can support the channel, guys, and I appreciate it. No pressure, but that's pretty sick. And you also have super stickers, so you can have unique stickers that make you stand out. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, guys, let's continue on. So let's focus on what we're looking for. A breakout right now. It's super rangy. It seems like we've kind of created a double top, but we've kind of broke below a little bit, but we're still kind of ranging, right? So it seems like it doesn't want to break below just yet. I would look for sell setups below this level structure. So anything below this level area here, we can start looking for sell setups, right? But we want to see closure, like a closure below this level here, right there. Okay, so we'll look for a closure below that level structure. I'm going to highlight this for you guys so you guys can use it as reference. Don't worry. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, there we go. See? So we got a good, like we could trade this range easily, guys. Right? We're talking about a good 150, 160 pip range. Right? Lots of profits could be made there. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Welcome to all the new members that are tuning in, guys. Welcome to the family. Okay, awesome. Are you guys understanding everything I'm explaining so far? Yes, good. Let me know in the chat box, guys, if you're understanding it. Yes, good. Okay, perfect. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna move to Euro USD. Let's move over to Euro USD. So Euro USD, we were looking for a breakout. What were we doing? Ascending wedge pattern formation. We saw that the ascending wedge broke above, and now it's retesting. So on the daily, let's see here. If it would have broken below, we could have seen a continuation to the downside, similar to my arrow here, because we are definitely overbought. Look at my RSI, guys. We're definitely overbought at this point. So even on the daily, so we could anticipate some sort of a pullback. If we go down to the 4-hour time frame, look at this, guys. This is starting to look pretty bearish. Look at this huge wick. Look at this huge wick right there, guys, right? And look at all this rejection, right? So we're failing to kind of break above. So if we break back into this here, this range area here, we can anticipate selling opportunities for sure, guys. Okay. I want to see a break of the structure though. So it depends, right? If we hold this level of support, then we're looking for a continuation of buys for Euro USD. But again, guys, we're waiting on news. We have news at 9:45. So depending on that news, it really will determine what's going to happen with the dollar, right? And that will really affect all these pairs here, guys, right? That's really what we have to wait, guys. Wait and see. Okay. So yeah, if we narrow it down to the 30-minute and see if we have any entries or anything like that, I really don't see anything because, like I said, we're still kind of like retesting this level, and it just looks like a range, guys. It's a complete range. Look at this sideways action, right? You don't want to trade this, guys. You don't want to trade this. Right? We don't know if it's going to break back into this range, right? So If you look for buys, I mean, just manage your risk. Maybe you could target these highs here, but that's probably not enough of a range. To look for buys here, it's about 50 pips. I mean, yeah, you could do a 25 pip stop, do 50 pips in and out, right? But again, there's a chance that it may finally break below, as there is another chance that we may see it come back up to these highs, right? So we'll see. But as of right now, it's kind of ranging. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for Euro USD. Okay, guys, awesome. I see a couple new members joining in, guys. For all the new members tuning in, go check out our free Telegram group, guys. The link is in the chat box below, and join in on that, guys. We have an amazing community on there. And also, guys, don't forget to turn on your notifications, guys, and click all notifications. You don't want to miss a single live stream, trust me. Okay, let's move on to AUD USD. Ooh, nice. So we kind of broke below. We failed to create what? Wow, man, this is good. What did we fail to create here? We failed to create a higher high. This previous high here. Okay, so now what do we have? We've broken structure here. We've broken previous low. Okay, we failed to create a higher high. We've broken previous low. We've broken this upwards channel. We got a strong momentum sell here. We're definitely oversold. Now we're forming this kind of double bottom here. So on the 4-hour time frame, so we could anticipate a retest. Here, what I'm seeing, I could see it come back up to this level range area here. AUD USD. Again, it depends on the news too, right? So AUD USD may come back up to these highs, retest this level around 0.67880 range, and then we may see it reject. As long as we once it comes back up to this level, if it comes back to this level, we want to see rejection of this level structure. If we get nice clean rejection, wick rejections, we can see sells. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's all we have there for now. It is Friday. It's slower. You guys know how it is. But overall, I'm not looking for sells, continuation of sells, because we're definitely oversold on AUD USD. We want to wait for the news though, but we may be seeing nice selling opportunities for AUD USD once it comes back up to these highs. Okay. And then I'm just gonna clear this area here. Take the fib off, but yeah, that would be our golden zone anyway. So that'd be nice, clean setup there. And then if we come back up here, we can target our next target level here would be, I would say, yeah, would be a target area here for AUD USD. Could come down even lower down here. Could be a possibility, right? All right, you guys understanding that? Yes, good. You guys get that? Perfect, guys. Smash that like button for me, guys, if you understood that explanation. Let me know, guys. Let me know in the chat box below. Did you guys understand that? Yes. For AUD USD, guys. Let's go. Okay. Awesome. I see a couple new members joining the family. Welcome to La Familia, guys. I call you guys members. You'll probably notice that because I consider you guys a family. We're one big family, guys. And I don't call you guys, hey, YouTube, or hey, you know, whatever, because you guys aren't just another number for me. We're one big family, guys. So make sure you guys tune in, join the family, guys. That's all I have for today. I'll keep you guys in the loop, okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. And also, guys, if you're new, subscribe. Turn on your notifications. Make sure you don't miss a single live stream, guys. Also, all the links are in the video description below. And I'm going to share with you guys here. Give me 1 second. This is the link to my website as well, guys. So go check that out. Also, if you're looking to level up and you want that kind of extra support, that extra mentorship, go and check out my VIP Inner Circle, guys. Amazing community students that I have. I've seen them grow, guys, and they've been able to learn so much, guys. So go check that out as well. I've got the recommended broker link as well, guys. So if you have any questions with setting up your broker and you're trying to set up with the link, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram. Okay, guys? Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you all. And I'll see you guys Sunday. Thanks so much, guys. Bye for now.